Figma tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Figma.com in your browser. Once the website loads, log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, begin by clicking the Get Started for Free button located at the top right corner of the page. A pop-up window will appear asking for your email address. Enter your email address in the provided field, and then click the Continue with Email button. You will now be prompted to enter a password. Create a secure password, and once done, click the Create Account button to proceed. After that, Figma will send a verification link to your email address. Open your email inbox and click the Verify Email button inside the message. A new browser window will open, asking you to enter your name. Fill in your full name and then click the Continue button. Next, Figma will ask you to select the reason you're using Figma. Choose the option that best matches your intention and click Continue. You will then be asked to select the role that best describes you. Pick the option that fits your profile and click Continue. Finally, choose the starter plan, click Continue, and you will be directed to the Figma homepage.